Morphology of flowering plants. Most expected questions NEET 2020. Multiple choice questions part 1. Question number 1. Which one of the following is example of partial parasite? Right answer is C. Striga. Question number 2. A farmer harvested 60 sweet potato plants, 60 carrot plants, 80 asparagus plants and 100 turnip plants. Find out the total number of tuberous taproots he get from those plants. Right answer is B. 160. In this, tuberous taproots are present carrot and turnip. 60 carrot plants, 100 turnip plants. Totally 160 tuberous taproots he got. Question number 3. Lateral roots of the following plant exhibit both negative and positive geotropic response. Right answer is B. Rhizophora. It is a mangrove plant. It contains normal roots and also pneumatophores, also called as respiratory roots. Respiratory roots are negatively geotropic response and main roots are positively geotropic response. Question number 4. If the haustorium has connection with xylem and phloem of host root, it is. Right answer is B. Total root parasite. It means complete root parasite. Question number 5. In a genus A, modified root become aerial and grows vertically upwards, that is negatively geotropic. And in a genus B, modified adventitious aerial roots grow vertically downwards, that is positively geotropic. A and B are respectively. Right answer is B. Rhizophora and ficus. In Rhizophora, respiratory roots shows it grow vertically upwards, that is negatively geotropic. And in ficus, pillar roots are present, they grow vertically downwards, that is positively geotropic. Question number 6. Bulbils arise in the place of flowers in. Right answer is A. Agave. In agave, floral buds modified into bulbils. It stores little bit amount of food materials. When bulbil is detached from the parent plant, it grow individually. That bulbil involved in vegetative propagation. Question number 7. Velamen tissue occurs in. The right answer is C. Epiphytic roots. Velamen tissue occurs in epiphytic roots. For example, Vanda. Question number 8. Which one of the following sets represents the example of stilt roots? Right answer is D. Giamese, Saccharum and Pandanus. These 3 are examples for stilt roots. Question number 9. Most reduced stem belongs to. Right answer is B. Bulb. Question number 10. Opposite phyllotaxy occurs in the same plant in, right answer is B, Calotropis. Question number 11. Fasciculated roots are found in, right answer is A, asparagus. Fasciculated roots are found in asparagus. Fasciculated roots means bunches of storage roots or cluster of storage roots found in asparagus. Question number 12. Hastoria of Cuscuta. Right answer is C. Hastoria of Cuscuta enter the host plant and absorb sugars and amino acids from host. Question number 13. In Nepenthes, the pitcher-like structure is formed by modification of, right answer is B, leaf blade. Question number 14. Incorrect statement regarding a region of meristematic activity. First statement, it is the region between region of maturation and region of elongation. Statement number 2, the cells proximal to this region undergo rapid elongation. Statement number 3, this region absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Statement number 4, cells of this region are very small and divide repeatedly. Above these 4 statements, which are incorrect? The right answer is B. 2 and 3 statements are incorrect. Question number 15. True statement regarding asparagus. Statement number 1. A bunch of roots develop at the base of the stem. Statement number 2. Mechanism for starch storage is also developed. Statement number 3. A single tuberous root is present. Statement number 4. Seeds show 2 cotyledons. Right answer is A. 1 and 2 statements are correct. Question number 16. Leafless plant that depends entirely on the metabolism of its roots. Right answer is C. Taeniophyllum. It is a epiphytic plant. It contains green roots, perform photosynthesis. Question number 17. Among the list of plants given here, how many of them show root modifications? Carrot, monstera, turnip, asparagus, curcuma, jaminkhand, opuntia, diascorea, banyan, pistia, banana, pineapple, strawberry and vanda. Above these plants, how many of them show root modifications? The right answer is A. 7. The 7 plants are carrot, monstera, turnip, asparagus, jaminkhand, banyan tree and vanda plants shows root modifications. Totally 7 plants. Question number 18. Stem modification in oxalis. Right answer is D. It is subaerial stem modification. Question number 19. Plant that climbs with the help of petiole is the right answer is B, only A. It means Nepenthes, plant that climbs with the help of petiole only. Question number 20. Mismatch of the following regarding modifications of axillary bud. Right answer is C. Vegetative propagation, bulbil agave plant. It is mismatched. Question number 21. The roots without root hairs, the stem without internodal elongation, and the compound leaf without rachis are respectively found in. Root is without root hairs, stem is without internodal elongation, and leaf is compound leaf without rachis are respectively. The right answer is C. Rhizophora, colocasia, and neem. Question number 22. Australian acacia, euphorbia, and Taeniophyllum possesses modified parts for the purpose of photosynthesis. These modified parts respectively are. Right answer is D. Petiole, stem, and root. Australian acacia modified part is petiole for the purpose of photosynthesis, and euphorbia modified part is stem for the purpose of photosynthesis, that is phylloclade, and Taeniophyllum modified part is root, that is photosynthetic root. Question number 23. Parasite with green leaves, an epiphyte with green roots, and an epiphyte with green leaves respectively are. The right answer is D. Viscum Taeniophyllum vanda. Parasite with green leaves, Viscum, epiphyte with green root, Taeniophyllum, and epiphyte with green leaves, vanda. Question number 24. The roots, the stem, the leaves are modified for the same purpose respectively in. Right answer is A. Taeniophyllum, euphorbia, and acacia. Question number 25. 3 modifications in a leaf is seen in Allium, Bryophyllum, Opuntia, Nepenthes. Right answer is D, that is Nepenthes. In this plant, 3 modifications are observed.